Hi, I'm Mrs. Cochran. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to learn about a reading strategy that can help you. So today we're going to learn to use clue words to find a cause and effect while reading. This is important so that you can recognize what the author is telling you about what and why something is happening. Now, if you look, you'll often see a circle with an arrow and another circle to represent cause and effect. The cause is why something's happening, and the effect is what is happening. So first I'm going to just talk about it and use some examples that you probably will be familiar with. So if I say, I stayed up late on a school night, so I was tired. The cause is I stayed up late, and the effect was I was tired. Let's try another one. Okay. She had a stomach ache because she ate too much cake. So she had a stomach ache is the effect. And because she ate too much cake is the cause. So there were some clue words in there. And I'll repeat the sentences again so you can find them. But these are some of the clue words that you can use to find cause and effect in what you're reading. They are cause might be because, and if you look, the word cause is right in there, and since. And then to find effect, you could use therefore or so. So let me repeat what I had said before, and you listen for the clue words, okay? I'll leave this open so you can see it. I stayed up late on a school night, so I was tired. The clue word was so, because then they were going to tell you the effect. Let's try the next one. She had a stomach ache because she ate too much cake. And in this case, it's because. And the effect was first. And she had a stomach ache was the effect. And it's because she ate too much cake. And that is what she did. Okay? So we're going to use some sentences on the board, and that they are kind of small, so I'm going to read them to you. And the words in red are either cause or effect, are clue words. And let's see if it makes sense when you're reading it. It was cold this morning, so I wore a jacket. You could even change the so for therefore. It was cold this morning, therefore I wore my jacket. The cause, why? It was cold this morning. The effect, I wore my jacket. That's what they did. Okay, so the next sentence is, since it was cold this morning, I wore my jacket. Now, since is a clue word for the cause. You could actually replace it with because, and it would read just the same. Because it was cold this morning, I wore my jacket. Okay, so since is the clue word for cause or the why. Since it was cold this morning, and then the effect was I wore my jacket. So cause and effect will help you anticipate what's you're reading and look for those clue words: cause, because, and since, effect, therefore, and so. And there are more words, and they will help you to figure out if it's cause and effect. Go into your books and see if you can find some cause and effect. Take care.